In this video we'll be showing you the NCS 3000 banknote counter. So it's a quick demonstration on the features and use of this machine. Now, this machine is a CIS counter, which means it looks at the actual note. So it's a software driven machine and looks at the note to work out how to count it. Some cheaper machines will only do it by size and can obviously lead to errors if a note's folded. So firstly you can see the currency button. So as you can see, this machine here will do GBP notes, will do US dollars notes, and it will also do euros notes. And the modes are exactly the same on each of them. So we'll be using this in GBP. So the first mode we've got is the count mode. So this is simply counting the notes that have gone through the machine. So here you can see it's counted 115 notes. This could be useful for vouchers or coupons, something like that. So the next one, when we go to it, is the mode here, is we've got a single. Now the single works by counting a single denomination. So in this case, I'm just going to put some of the old-fashioned cotton £20 notes into it. Just one type. And you can see it's counted 29 notes and the total value 580. If there was a note in it that was mixed in with it, that was, say for example, the wrong denomination, like a £5 note, then it would actually show an error upon it. So the next mode that we go to is probably the most useful mode, and this is a mixed. So as you can see here, we've got a range of notes. There's polymer 5s, there's old cotton 20s in here, and also the new polymer 20s mixed in with it, 50s all mixed together. So in this mode it will actually look at the note, and as I mentioned before, using the CIS detection, actually image the note and actually count the note by the image rather than the actual size of the note. So to use it, GBP mixed, simply place the notes in the top. And it's counted 115 notes, and the total value of those notes is £2,100. What we can then do is then press the RPT button, which stands for report, and this will give us a breakdown of each of the notes that's been counted, denomination, amount of them, and the total value of them. And then press the report again, and depending on the way the orientation of the notes, this is the serial numbers of the notes that's been counted. And if you had an optional printer, you could actually press the print on this as well. The next mode that we have here is a count mode, which takes us back to the original one, which is where it will just count the physical piece of paper going through it. As I mentioned, this is a CIS detection machine, so it's therefore able to look at the note and actually count it by looking at the note rather than actually using the size of it. This gives, as you can see, a far more accurate count. Thank you for watching our video.